What's up, Spark Grillers? My name's Tyler, and I'm a product development engineer here at Spark. Today we're going to be talking about the Spark Low and Slow Briq system. Slow cooking is a pretty awesome process where you can turn even the toughest of cuts of meat into melt-in-your-mouth goodness just by turning the heat down and playing the long game. Whether you want to slow roast a whole chicken with root vegetables or smoke a rack of pork ribs alongside your own homemade chipotle peppers, you can make it happen on the Spark with these bricks. The Spark Low and Slow bricks are designed to last 6 to 8 hours in the 250 to 350 degree temperature range. To nail this temperature range for long durations while still allowing the grill to heat up quickly, we developed a 2-brick low and slow system. The starter brick is the first of the 2 bricks. It allows you to start your fire quickly without overheating the grill past your desired temperature. The second of the 2 bricks is a slow cook brick. This is what you'll actually be cooking your food over and will be what carries your cook through the bulk of the day. To use the Spark Low and Slow bricks, you'll need the following: a Spark grill, Spark Low and Slow starter brick, Spark Low and Slow slow cook brick, your heat spreader, a water pan, Spark temperature probes, and some delicious food of your choice. If you're looking for a little extra smoky flavor, you'll want to consider using wood chunks, wood chips, or wood pellets of your choosing to supplement your Spark Low and Slow bricks. We find that the best way to use supplemental wood is to make a foil pouch with some holes punched in the top and to put that on top of the brick underneath the heat spreader. The foil keeps the wood burning slowly and prevents it from flaring up and burning your food. We find that wood chips provide about 30 minutes of smoke, wood chunks provide about 1 hour of smoke, and wood pellets provide about 2.5 hours of smoke. I'm going to be smoking these ribs for about 6 hours today, so I'll be using some hickory wood pellets. You can get cooking wood in the grilling section of most grocery and hardware stores or from Amazon. To make a smoking pouch, lay out a piece of foil on your table. Add your wood of choice to the middle in a nice even layer. Loosely fold the foil like so. You want the foil to be a little loose so that air can still flow around the wood, allowing for a cleaner burn. Poke through the foil along the length of the pouch with a fork about 6 to 10 times on the top side, and there you have it, a smoking pouch. To use the Spark Low and Slow bricks, start by removing the grates and the heat spreader. Taking these out helps with temperature management during the initial startup phase. Next, open the drawer, remove the starter brick from the packaging, and immediately place it in the fuel pan. Start the grill up by turning the ignition ring and set your desired temperature between 250 and 350 degrees. Let the starter brick burn for 10 to 15 minutes with the lid open. It is important to keep the lid open during startup as the starter brick burns hot. After 10 to 15 minutes have passed, you can open the drawer and gently add the slow cook brick on top of the starter brick. We recommend using a heat-resistant glove or oven mitt during this step for added safety. If you're smoking, add your smoke pouch directly on top of the slow cook brick, off to one side under the heat spreader. If you're looking for a more pure charcoal taste, skip the smoke pouch. Put the heat spreader and the grates back in the grill, add a water pan on top of the grates, and put your food on. Once your food is on the grill, insert your temperature probes, set a goal temperature in the app, and let it ride. If using the smoke pouch, be sure not to open the drawer when you're cooking, as the pouch will fall and get stuck inside the grill. I hope this video helps you get started with your Spark Low and Slow bricks. Have fun and happy grilling.